Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Canva designs into a PDF. This is a straightforward process that ensures your creations are perfectly preserved for printing or sharing digitally. We'll walk through the steps to access the download menu and select the correct file type. Getting your design into a PDF format is essential for maintaining layout and font integrity across different devices and platforms, making it a reliable choice for professional use. Once you're in the download menu, you'll see two main PDF options: PDF Print and PDF Standard. PDF Print is your go-to for professional printing, offering the highest quality and resolution, often in CMYK color profile. PDF Standard creates a smaller file size, optimized for digital sharing and web use, typically in RGB. Choosing the right type depends on your final use, ensuring your document looks its best whether on screen or in hand. Before finalizing your download, you can customize several settings. You might choose to download only specific pages from your design or the entire document. For print-ready files, consider adding crop marks and bleed, which are crucial for professional printers to cut your document accurately. Flattening the PDF is also an option, which can help ensure all elements appear consistently, especially when sharing with others who might not have the same fonts. After selecting your desired settings, simply click the Download button. Canva will then process your design and generate the PDF file. This usually takes just a few moments, depending on the complexity and size of your design. Once complete, the PDF will be saved to your computer's default Downloads folder. Always open and review your downloaded PDF to confirm everything looks exactly as you intended before sharing or sending it for print.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.